Don't overuse this recipe, as it accelerates hair growth, making it grow up to 9 centimeters in less than a month. To make this recipe, start by peeling an onion. The power of the onion is formidable. It treats severe hair loss and stimulates hair growth. Next, cut the onion into small pieces. Continue by peeling 3 cloves of garlic and cut them into small pieces too. Garlic is a treasure for hair. It stimulates growth, strengthens hair, and prevents hair loss. Place these ingredients in a container. Add olive oil to both ingredients. Simmer over low heat for 4 minutes. After cooking, filter the mixture to obtain your miracle solution. Pour the solution back into a container. Apply generously to the scalp. Massage well for 2 minutes. Leave on for 2 hours. Then rinse well. Use this recipe twice a week and your hair will grow impressively. If you like this tip, don't forget to like, subscribe for more healthy tips. Acker Healthy Lifes or Healthy Life 2024.